Hello girls, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Are you tired for the same old look? So it's time to embrace the edgy. Today we are diving into the world of the short undercut, the boldest hair trend of the year. The undercut is all about contrast. It's short, it's sharp, and it completely transforms your silhouette. It's not just a haircut, it's an attitude. For a sophisticated vibe, go for the Pixie undercut. It's sleek for the office but has a hidden edge that comes out when you run your fingers through your hair. Want to stand out? Add a custom designs from simple lines to intricate geometric patterns. Your undercut is a canvas for your personal style. The secret to a great undercut is the fade. Keeping it tight on the sides make the hair on top look more volumized and texture. Fresh clippers make all the difference. The best part of undercut: the versatility, messy and texture for a casual day, or slicked back with pomade for a high fashion for evening look. One cut, endless possibilities. Stop hiding behind long hair. Reveal your true self with a cut that speaks volumes. Are you brave enough to go short? Book your transformation today. And please must share with me your experience and anything about undercut short hair. As soon as possible, I'll become latest and new ideas. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Take care and bye bye.